When I started, there were probably 10 or 12 young people, 3 staff. We were in Atwood Avenue in a very small storefront. So the program has grown 7-fold since it began in 1970.
It wasn't the very first board meeting that they had, but it was held in the very first house that they did. I just always remember it because when I sat down, they said, "Be very careful." It was a couch, and the springs were sticking up. It got a little nasty there, but we made it, and I ended up being the treasurer. And the first thing that was handed to me was a cigar box. In it were all the records. That's where they kept them at that point.
You know, through the years, the challenges to find the resources to provide the program, that was very up and down.
We came very close to closing the doors several times because we were running out of money, and it always happened that somewhere along the line, a few dollars would be found and we could keep going, and then it sort of built up over that.
The organization had a lot of financial strains after the 2008 financial crisis. At that time, we owned a lot of our property that we were rehabbing, and the properties went down in value, so it was very, very tough for the organization financially.
Points of Light, it was a government award that was given to Fresh Start. That was a very prestigious award to get, and Connie went to Washington, D.C. and had contact with the president.
Another proud moment is when Governor Tommy Thompson decided to set state money aside to replicate this program around the state. So this program is in 8 different locations around the state. And we provided, Fresh Start provided technical assistance to all those programs.
We finally got recognized as a very good, upright organization that was doing and giving the help to the kids in the Madison area.
We've grown. Now we're serving over 400 youth a year now with diverse programming, everything from that legacy programming to career-specific programming to driver's license education to mental health to career engagement. You know, we do a lot broader programming, but the same core is there. Establish a relationship with a young person and help them figure out how to succeed.
So I've been there half of the 25 years, half the life of OFS. Just seeing the young people and the sense of accomplishment that you can witness, and them being able to accomplish things they didn't think would be possible in the past. Now at our graduations, young people talk about what it's meant to them and what their new goals are and where they came from. So it's always very, very rewarding to hear that, and makes you want to do more.
All these years later, the essence of the program is really, I think, the bond that's created between the young people and the staff, and how that bond is utilized to help young people make significant changes in their lives.